What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to clean your AirPods. To be more specific, how to properly clean your AirPods Pro in here. In my case, I've got in here these AirPods Pro, okay? The process is quite different if you want to clean up the normal ones, which doesn't have the rubber in here, but I'm gonna show you how to perform it here on these AirPods right here, Pros. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and fixes, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, when talking about AirPods, it's very sensitive while cleaning because we've got battery in here. So you want to make sure you do not damage any electronic component of your specific AirPod. So it's important to follow the steps that I'll be talking in today's video carefully. Now, first things first, what you're gonna need in here is a toothbrush, okay? You're gonna need a brand new toothbrush and a toothbrush that is actually clean and that is soft, okay? In my case, I've got this one right here. Next up, you're gonna need cotton sticks in here. In my case, I've got in here this ones, okay? You're gonna need just one and two. This is gonna help you fixing the problem that you've got. And next up, you're gonna need a toothpick, okay? If you don't have a toothpick, you can go with something that is very thin like this. In my case, I'm using this pin right here, but the best thing is a toothpick. I don't have it right here, but I'll showcase it to you guys how to properly clean your AirPods with these three tools in here. Now, this is how it goes. First things first, let me quickly remove my AirPod from my case, okay? This is my protective case in here. There we go. Here we go. It's already removed. Let's keep the case aside, okay? So as you can see here, we do have dust inside and we also do have dirt, okay? We do have a lot of dirt in here. Let's quickly remove the AirPods from the box and let's quickly start here from the AirPods and then we'll go all the way to the box, right? So keeping the box aside, let's start with AirPod number one, which is gonna be this one right here. So first things first, we'll start from the rubber in here. What we're gonna be doing is gently, we'll simply try to detach the rubber carefully, okay? And this is how it goes. It's gonna simply detach from your specific AirPod. Here we go. This is just rubber in here, and this is something that you can actually wash, okay? So you can take the rubbers, you can put them in water, no problem at all. You can wash it the way you want to, okay? Wash them properly in water, remove as much dirt or dust as you can from your rubbers, and then make sure they dry really well. The most important part is to make sure that they dry really well. Now, over here on your specific earphone, as you can see, we've got in here this part where the music or the sound comes from, right? So over here, we're going to clean up with a dry toothbrush. This is how it goes. We've got the toothbrush in here. So what you need to do is this movement right here, okay? So you just want to make sure you brush as much as possible for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, it's important to have a very soft toothbrush just to avoid damaging the specific protection in here that we've got, okay? So this is how it goes. We need to brush it properly here at the sides as well. And the advantage of the toothbrush is that it goes inside these narrowed areas in here where it's difficult to reach out with our finger. As you can see, it's getting even darker because we're removing every single dust that we've got in here. Now, this is also important because it's gonna make your AirPods sound even louder and better, okay? You'll be having a better sound in here after performing this. As you can see, even here at the sides now, we do have a bit of dust in here, which came out from here. So this is something that you can also clean, okay, easily. Here we go. So once you're done with this movement in here, we'll pass on to the side as well. As you can see here, we do have dust as well here on the side, and on the side as well, gets dirty when you put it in your ear. So same process, simply brush it real quick for about 3 to 4 minutes to the sides, okay? Trust me, toothbrush is the best cleaner that we've got, and it doesn't damage anything. So this will open up the specific area where you have the speaker and make it sound even louder. There we go. Once you're done brushing here, you also do have this part here at the right, okay? Probably the microphone. You also want to clean up this area right here so you can speak properly to people and so people can also hear you properly, okay? So here we go, same process, toothbrush, 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 and there we go. Now down here you don't want to mess a lot because it's a part that connects to your case and there's a small battery in here. So you don't want to mess a lot with that, and you should not by any means use water during this process. Now next up we're going to take the toothpick, and if by any means we do have a specific areas where the toothbrush couldn't get, we're going to use the toothpick to remove any dust that we've got, but very gently, okay, in a gently manner. Here as well, you can do it as well, just to remove any dust that might be stuck here that our toothbrush wasn't able to actually get. Okay, there we go. Remove it from a few points. We're going to perform the same thing on the other earphone as well. Okay, so this is the process for both of the earphones. And next up, once you're done even with the rubber, once you're done washing it, you just need to reattach it properly here, and this should be done. Okay, the rubber will be back on place and everything will be okay. Now next up, moving all the way here to the case. Okay, we've got a lot of dirt here inside. Now starting from the inside part, we're gonna need here a cotton stick, and then we'll be cleaning everything here inside without any liquid. Make sure you do it using a dry cotton stick in here. Okay, no water at all, because we've got a lot of electrical components in here. Okay, so this is how it goes. The movement, you want to make sure you clean everywhere inside. Here are the sides, here as well. Okay, as you can see, it's helping us. There we go. There we go. As you can see, there's a lot of difference, and here we go. A lot of dirt coming out from here. There we go. Here at the sides as well, got a bit of lint. Sometimes when you put the AirPod in our pocket, we do get a bit of lint in here as well. Here at the middle, here at these sides as well. Okay, so this is how it goes. Process of properly cleaning it. The less liquids, the best. This is my concept of how to clean AirPods properly. This helps a lot. It closes properly. The connectivity, the sensors as well are going to perform very well, as well as the magnet. Now here at the exterior part, you can simply take something like a tissue paper or something like a microfiber cloth, and then with a bit of liquid, just a bit, you can just pass it over here. There's no problem at all. Now down here, if you have connectivity issues, do not forget, simply take a toothpick real quick and then simply try to remove as much lint as you can here inside. Okay, as you can see, you'll be able to remove dust or lint from the interior, right? So simply put it in, slide it to the right, and you'll be able to remove some lint from this area right here. This is how you clean the port, the indoor, the outdoor, as well as the earphones themselves. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt or if you have any questions, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.